This is my intro. Working on it. Don't know exactly what it's going to consist of, what it might be. It might be something different next time. Might be the same for the next several times. I don't know. Okay? Sit back. Watch the video. Enjoy. Bye.
If you're curious about the wig, watch the video before this one. Okay? I'm gonna reveal my inner bronze goddess to you guys. I don't know what she's gonna look like. If you hear me huffing and puffing, I'm just like, girl. It is what it is. Who mad? Somebody mad? You just gonna have to be mad then. Is it that we shouldn't expect a lot because it is $1.25? So I don't know how attitude's gonna be. I'm not gonna be held responsible for my inner bronze goddess, okay?
What's up, beautiful disasters? I am back. If you saw me in the other video, then you know why you're here. If you want to see about this wig, which is, as you can see, glueless, okay? Go watch the other video. We're trying some new makeup that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm curious about it. I want to see about it. I happened upon an aisle and I was like, oh my gosh. Are we asking for too much? Or are they giving us too little? I don't know. But let's see what we have. We have some things. We have some things. So while I was at Dollar Tree, I came across these 3D faux mink individual lash extensions. 16 of them. These are the wispy medium length. And these are the wispy natural short. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with these. And because I do have a Falscara kit, I have the Kiss Falscara adhesion. And so I'm going to use that to put these on. I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I'm going to have you watch me put a couple on. And then I'll come back when I am done. Okay, so I just put 3 on each side and the length is crazy. And this is just the short. So I was going to throw medium into the mix as I got into the middle here, and that's where I'm at right now, is about to enter the middle. And yeah, I don't think I want to do that. I think they might be too long for my taste. These are really long for medium. Hold on, let me give you a good, there we go. Really long for medium. So so far applying them has been, I mean, the same as if I were to apply the Kiss Falscara ones. I don't feel a difference at all. They'll probably last just about the same because I'm using the Kiss Falscara gel to apply them. Here is an alternative to that. I'm going to finish this up and then I'm going to come back and we are going to do some Dollar Tree makeup. Okay, so I just got finished applying them and I did all the short and they look really, really good. The bronzer, okay? Came across this little bronzer, $1.25. Isn't it cute? It says Dessert Bronzer by B Color. It is 0.17 ounces, which is 4.8 grams. It is cupcake scented. It looks like a little donut. It looks like a little chocolate donut with sprinkles. Brush. Oh my gosh, it smells like cupcake. What you're expecting, but she did what she needed. She didn't disturb my makeup that was already there. Okay, Dollar Tree. All right, knocking it out the park. All right, next, I want to try this bronzer. It is a face highlight and bronzer. I mean, this is a bronzer, yes, but this is a highlight and bronzer. So I'm really kind of using this for the little highlight effect because we just bronze. But this is a 2-in-1, so it should work just fine. Well, I don't know if it's gonna work. Just you get what I'm saying. Let's move on. Brighten and bronze, soft texture, long lasting. Okay. Reveal your inner bronze goddess. This silky and blendable highlight and bronzer powder effortlessly gives you a healthy, sun-kissed glow. Little thing. It's a little cute. Just gonna take a little. Move on to the next. I am not mad at this. Pencil eyeliner, crayon eyeliner, Ione. This, oh wow. This is very creamy. Let me help this out a little bit and smudge it. You can't help but smudge it. It smudges as you're applying it. Yeah, I don't think I like this. I'm gonna tell you why. I need a little bit of resistance. This is okay. So I tried to fix that really heavy black liner. It's too creamy for me. It's just very, yeah, no, this is a no-go. The Ione eyeliner is a no-go for me. All right, so next is the Ione lip spa scrub. Say goodbye to dry, dull lips forever. No, there's an exclamation point. I can do better. Say goodbye to dry, dull lips forever. Yes, that gave that exclamation point some meaning. Okay? Easily keep your lips hydrated and bright while preparing for healthy, plump lips. Perfect for at-home lip treatments. Okay, well, I'm at home. I have lips. Let's try it. Okay. So, there we go. Let me take this off. I don't have anything really to exfoliate. I mean, I'm not expecting for dry skin to start falling off of my lips. It's like this, just a regular tube, I don't smell anything. Yeah, it's okay. It's a gentle lip scrub. I'll give it that. All right, and then last is this LA Colors Matte Lips Beloved. I got this from Dollar Tree. So try this out. Okay, so yeah, I'm loving it. Yeah, I look cute, y'all. Other than this doggone boot. Dog bite it. But anyway, okay, so I am super impressed with this Dollar Tree makeup. The blush is not Dollar Tree, but the highlighter was, and you guys saw that. That highlight is still there. The highlight, you can see it right on top of my eye as well. The bronzer was nice. The eyeliner I can do without unless I am in a smudge mood. So, yeah, it's just way too soft for my liking. The eyelashes, absolutely. Here, let me just go through everything. So the bronzer, yes. The highlighter and bronzer, yes. The LA Matte Lips in the color Beloved, absolutely. I did top it with some NYX though, you know, just butter gloss, just so you know. The lip scrubber, I mean, it's a lip scrubber. It's a lip scrubber. What do you expect? I mean, you know, sure. All right, until next time. Bye.
I don't know what I'm about to do. I may go do some dishes or something.
Deactivating. I do not understand. Do you wish to delete? All systems down.